So just taking a quick look at Ethereum then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As always, before we begin, make sure you go get some free money in the description below. We've got absolutely tons of really good affiliate links down there where you can get some good sign up bonuses, trade bonuses, etc. So make sure you go down there, particularly that BITUNIX one is really good. And we are just taking a look at Ethereum then on our daily time frame here, another little daily update on the channel. As we can see yesterday, Bitcoin doing its best to dump the market with a very manipulated move to the downside in my estimation. You can see here Bitcoin opening up on the market open yesterday for the New York Open at 2:30 for me, and just an absolutely textbook liquidation sweep. Big manipulation down below to grab the liquidity down here into this fair value gap. Right now consolidating here and trying to bounce out of it, as you can see, but stuck between these two fair value gaps right now. And basically the direction of the market is probably going to be dictated by these two fair value gaps if I had to guess. You can see right now we're getting a heavy rejection out of this higher one. If we come down and close below this one, we're probably going to start moving very bearish for Bitcoin over the next week or so. If we can bounce them and come up and close bullish above this one, we'll probably get a bounce back towards the all-time highs. Right now Bitcoin kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place in terms of price action. As a result, yesterday you can see the whole market just getting a big liquidation back down to the downside. Lots and lots of fair value gaps being ripped through. You can see Ethereum here with a big red candle for the first time in a good while here, coming down, bouncing out of this previous daily fair value gap. Though we could see a good bounce and continuation from here, but as always it just depends on Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin does its best to absolutely destroy the markets and have a big retracement, we are going to see a lot of cryptos coming back to the downside, despite the fact that Bitcoin and the altcoin basket are both pretty much at all-time highs. A lot of our cryptos are really struggling across the board. Lots of weakness in the altcoin market right now, and in my opinion it's going to be, well, it's very hard to know if we're going to get a bounce for all of our altcoins, if I'm honest. I think Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana are all going to do fine, but the rest of the altcoin space looking very weak right now. Ethereum here for me has to hit a new all-time high soon if we're going to have any hope of volume coming into our altcoins, because right now the vast majority of them are looking exceptionally weak. If you look at the just on the daily time frame here and I just flick through them, you can see really recently we haven't seen that much movement to the upside at all for our altcoins. They're really struggling to make new highs, despite the fact that Bitcoin is looking very strong over the past few weeks. So we're gonna have to wait and see. I think Ethereum will be fine overall, but right now Bitcoin doing its best to dump the market. As always, thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.